everyone, it's Tasia. Welcome back to my channel. I want to start off by saying I apologize for the background noise. If you guys can hear it, I have the machines going, but they really need to stay going. So if you can hear them, I do apologize. And then second disclaimer, my nails are so ragged looking right now. I apologize if they come on screen and you guys are like, ooh. I had a permanent marker explode on my hands today, and while I tried really hard to get it off, I feel like it colored the underbellies of my fingernails and I just can't get it out, so I'm sorry. But anyways, without further ado, let's get started with the new releases. So the first one we have are these little dim sum characters. These may not be the names that you guys call them, but this is what I grew up knowing them as. So we have manapua and pork hash, and then there's the miso soup, which honestly it's not really a dim sum item because it's more Japanese than it is Chinese, but I had to put it in there because it was cute. You can pretend it's a different type of soup, maybe like an egg flour soup, but with those little cubes in there, I think it's more miso in my mind. But anyways, you have egg rolls, and then you have the tea, and you have little dumplings, so cute little dim sum. This is only available in regular at the moment. These two sheets, I could have sworn I made them in itty bitty. I don't know where the files went. This week has been one crazy week, so I'm sure they're around there somewhere. If they're not, I'm going to put them back into itty bitty, so not to worry. So again, you have the dim sum, and then the next one we have are these books, and it's just a cute little variety of books. And I thought these would be great for students, or even if you are just a bookworm and you love reading, you can kind of document maybe when you start a book or when you finished a book or what you're reading or anything like that. So you have a full sheet of the books. And then the next one I made on a whim today. I did not think I was going to be able to get any designing done today because we have been cracking out the mystery kits like nobody's business. But I had a moment while the machines were churning, so I sat down and this just came out. So right now I only have it in the vertical size, but itty bitty and horizontal will be on its way. I'm going to be doing a plan with me this week, and I'm hoping, if all goes as planned, using this kit, and by the time I film that video I will have the kits available. So and I'll go over it now because the stickers will pretty much be the same in the kits, they'll just be sized differently. So as you can tell, it's a really pretty color scheme with the orange, yellow, green, and pink. I think that looks really good together. So you have enough page flags to do 1 a day every day for a week, and then you have enough headers to do 3 a day every day for a week. You have your weekend banner and some cute little icons. And then this one I was just feeling, I think just because of the week I've been really up with positive quotes. I feel like positive quotes, I don't know, they just are uplifting, so I tried to put a few in there. So you have this one that says every moment matters, and then on the next page you have enough of these big lists to do 1 a day every day for a week, and then these cute little arrows here, so you have an important, reminder, don't forget, and canceled, and then 2 translucent boxes on the bottom. The next page is for the sidebar, or you could really use them wherever you wanted, but you have your blank list here with the schedule, with the days of the week, excuse me. I use it for a schedule, but maybe you could use it for a workout schedule or dinner planning, something like that. And then you have this just cute little pineapple box, and then the top 3, you have some habit trackers, and then I redesigned, so typically this sticker would say work it girl, and gosh, my machine is like pounding all of a sudden. You guys hear it? It's perforating the sticker, and so it's like smacking it really hard. But anyways, usually it says work it girl, but I've been horrible with my workouts lately, so I wasn't even gonna try this week until I get everything under control at the shop. So what I can do though for healthy habits is stay hydrated. So we have it here, it says goal, and then you can fill in your goal of how many ounces a day you like to do. I like to shoot for 90 ounces. I know it's a lot, but I truly feel really good. And I feel like the more I drink, the thirstier I am. So anyways, the days that you meet the goal, you check it off, and then you have enough utensils to do 1 a day every day for a week, including the clouds. And if you guys watch my plan with me, you know how I like to do those. I always layer, I write my menu on here, and then I put the little utensil on it. It's just something I like to do. The next page we have 7 decorative boxes, and then some more of those inspirational quotes. So you have today is going to be awesome, life is sweet, and then this is a pretty well-known quote when it comes to pineapples. I just felt like it had to be in there since this is a pineapple kit. But it says, be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. So that's that page. And then the last page, you have these long strips of sticker. People call them washi strips, but it's not washi tape. So I always feel weird calling it a washi strip, but that's kind of what it's like. So typically I put it on the bottom of the planner, or if I'm using the hourly, I'll put it on the top, or horizontal. Sometimes it's on the top too when I'm using it. So that's what those are for. So that is the pineapple kit. And then the next set of stickers, they are of all the color schemes that I have in the shop in these translucent boxes. I have been loving these translucent boxes lately. I don't know what it is. I've just been on a kick where that's all I'm like, I need a translucent box for this, and so I'm layering these with everything basically, and so they come in really handy. They stand at just an inch tall and then an inch and a half in width, so they're pretty universal. And then I think when I was in my Happy Planner, the mini Happy Planner, I turned them on their sides. I want to say that's what I did, and they fit really nicely, but they would fit nicely this way as well. So anyways, I'll go through all the different colors. So we have Periwinkle, which is one of my favorites, Orchid, Mango, Blush, Blossom, Under the Sea, Sunburst, Spring Pastel, and Robin Egg. Robin Egg is really pretty too. And then the next one, I have same color schemes except for one. For some reason, I don't know why I didn't do it in the translucent box, but I made a regular pastel. So these I call arrow flags, and basically it just says important, reminder, and don't forget. And in another video, someone was like, hey, you forgot your apostrophe. And while I do know, I mean, it's supposed to have an apostrophe, but this is my excuse. So I love this font. I don't know why, but this font doesn't have an apostrophe. When I try to type in an apostrophe, it's this big, ugly, like it's just so hideous. And I tried replacing it with another font, like maybe just the apostrophe, but it just did not flow well with it. Just that's why I guess the artist didn't put an apostrophe. I don't know, but anyways, that is why it's not there. If it bothers you, I truly am sorry. I can understand why it would bother you, because it's supposed to have an apostrophe, but maybe down the road I can do this in another font or something. But I'm really feeling this font, so that's why I did it. I was like, you know what, it doesn't bother me that much. So that was a long explanation for the lack of an apostrophe. I'm sorry. So I'll go through the color schemes again. They are exactly the same, but you have Blossom, Under the Sea, Sunburst, Pastel, Orchid, Spring Pastel, Robin Egg, Mango, Blush, and Periwinkle. So that is it for the new releases for this week. I hope you guys like them. I think my favorite is the little dim sum and the pineapple kit. I'm really excited to do the plan with me with that pineapple kit. But that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye!